Hey guys, today we're going to be opening two more Toy Story 5 Yo-Yo blind boxes. I did already open one of these in my last video, so go check that out if you haven't already. But we're going to open this one first. This one is the figurine and this one's going to be a bag charm. So the last time I got aliens, so today I'm hoping to get, I think I'll say, Lily Pad again. Let's see what I get. White. Who is this? Oh, it's Knifey and Forky, so I think that's what fell out. And this will go on her hands. That's so cute. Okay, let's open the bag charm. I want to say aliens or Jessie. Let's see which one I get. Which one did I get? This one is Ham, right? Yes. That's so cute. My favorite color is pink, so this is great anyways. That's so cute. I love all the details. Oh wow, this is so cute. I think it's like a claw. Love it. So these are the two that I got. Let me know what you think.